Chicken Chow Mein is always #1 sales in Chinese restaurant. Now let's cook it. Now let's see the material. A piece of the chicken breast, about 0.6 pound. All veggies are sliced. So, celery, sweet pepper, snap pea, oyster mushroom, shredded carrot, and mung bean sprout. Green onion, separate by green part and white part. Ginger, garlic. Finally, the noodle. We use the Canton noodle, Oriental style, dry and thin one. Slice the chicken breast to very thin pieces, then put into a bowl. Use a 2.5 ml spoon. Salt, 1 spoon. White pepper, 1 spoon. Baking soda, 1 spoon. Then change to a 7.5 ml spoon, 2 spoons of the cornstarch. So 1 and 2. Finally, 1 spoon of cooking wine. Use a spatula, stir it left to right, up to bottom. At first, you can still see white powder. Keep on doing it for 5 minutes until all seasonings mix well with chicken meat. Then put aside, waiting for 15 to 20 minutes. Use a 15 ml spoon, brown soy sauce 2 spoons, so 1 and 2. Dark soy sauce 1 spoon. Oyster sauce 2 spoons, so 1 and 2. Use a 5 ml spoon. Vinegar 1 spoon. Sugar 1 spoon. Stir it. Let sugar melt in the sauce. Put cold water in a wok. Use high heat. When water is boiling, put 3 pieces of dry noodle in. Stir all the time. Make sure no sticky. Cook for 3 minutes. Take noodles out. Put in ice water gently. Let them stay for 1 minute. Take out, drain water, and put on a tray covered by parchment paper. Use a pair of chopsticks to arrange the noodles. Let them stay on the tray evenly. Put several drops of sesame oil. Mix oil with noodles completely. The sesame oil and parchment paper prevent noodles getting sticky on the tray. Put veggie oil to a non-sticky wok. Barely cover the bottom. Use high heat. Before oil is boiling, put ginger in. Stir it for 10 seconds. Then put in our chicken meat. Stir it. The meat is very sticky. So, use a clip to separate them. Cook about 3 minutes till meat changing color. Then, take them out. There is still a little bit oil left over, so put green onion whites in. No extra oil needed. Put shredded carrot. Stir it for 20 seconds. Then put celery, snap pea, mushroom, and sweet pepper. Stir all the time. Cook for 1 minute. Now, put our mixed sauce. Stir all the time. Cook for another 20 seconds. Put in chicken meat. Stir all the time. Stay cooking for another 1 minute. Then put noodle in. use a clip. Let the noodle mix well with the meat, veggie, and sauce. Keep on doing for 1 minute. Put garlic. Mix well. Green onion greens. Mix well. Finally, mung bean sprouts. Mix well. Sprouts are very juicy, so do not get overcooked. Oh, it's all done! Put on a plate. Smells great. Yes, 完美. Hey guys, whenever I'm lazy, I always cook chicken chow mein as dinner. One dish has everything. So we have meat, veggie, and noodles. Yummy, yummy! If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and give comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time.